Hi guys! For this day, we discuss the different sewing tools and materials. Are you ready to learn the different sewing tools? Tape measure, a flexible measuring device used in taking body measurements. The front has the measurement of 150 centimeters and 60 inches on the other side. Sewing gauge. This gauge is used for measurements at hemlines, buttonholes, and areas where other small measurements require checking, such as pleats and tacks. Ruler. It is a useful tool to have for measuring and drawing straight seam lines and cutting lines. It also aids in connecting lines. Yardstick. It is used for marking hemlines and checking grain lines when laying out the pattern. L-square. It is used to draw a perpendicular lines. French curve. This is used to shape the depth of the neck hole and armhole of the pattern. Let's move to the different cutting tools. Bent-handled dressmaker shears. Shears have the length of 7 to 12 inches and are satisfactory for most apparel fabrics. Pinking shears. This is used to finish seams and raw edges and to create decorative edges on many types of fabric. Trimming scissors. It is 3 to 4 inches long. It is used for trimmings, clipping threads, and snipping slashes. Buttonhole scissors. This is intended for making buttonholes. Thread clipper. These clippers are specifically used to snip threads and they are not designed to cut fabric. Seam ripper. Seam rippers are specifically designed for ripping out stitches from seams, either as a result of an error or during alterations. Rotary cutter and mat. It is an adaptation of the giant rotary cutter used by the garment industry. It works like a pizza cutter and can be used by left or right-handed sewers. The rotary cutter is available in different sizes with different blades. When using a rotary cutter, work on a cutting mat to protect the blade and the cutting surface. Let's move to the different marking tools. Chalk pencil or dressmaker pencil. This is available in white or pastel shades. This chalk pencil is used to make fine lines on fabric. It has an erasing brush at one end. Liquid marking pen. There is one that washes out and one that fades after 48 hours. Those that wash out should not be used on fabric that show watermarks. The mark should be removed before pressing the fabric. Tailor's chalk. This is essential as a marker for use on materials. Tailor's chalk is available in a range of colors and it is removed by brushing. Tracing wheel. There are two types of tracing wheels, those with a serrated edge and those with a smooth edge. The serrated edge wheel produces dots on the fabric and is suitable for most types of fabrics. The smooth edge wheel is best for delicate fabrics and unlike the serrated edge will not pierce more delicate fabrics. The smooth edge wheel creates a solid line. Dressmaker's carbon paper. Dressmaker's carbon paper, also called dressmaker's tracing paper, is a specially waxed carbon paper that transfers the tracing wheel's markings to the fabric. Pinning and other sewing tools. Pin cushion. A pin cushion holds the straight pins and needles while working to prevent accidents. Hand needle. Used in making temporary stitches and buttonholes. Sizes of 7 to 10 are for general hand sewing. Sewing needle threader. It aids in putting the thread to the needle. Thimble. A small hard pitted cup worn for protection on the finger that pushes the needle in sewing. And the last one, we have the materials. We have the thread. The thread is used in assembling or constructing the parts of the garment. And the last one, the fabric. The fabric is the cloth used in making garments. Thank you for watching!